Hello dear, welcome to our channel SKH Home Improvement. Today we are making our first video. Please do leave us a comment to let us know how we did, and it will help us to improve our next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to use a Garco Magnum airless paint spray gun and the finishing results. Let us know what you think or say in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the